You'll need yarn and a crochet hook to do this tutorial. And today we're going to learn how to slip knot, chain, single crochet, which is SC, turn, and continue our work. So for starters, we always start with the project by doing a slip knot. So the slip knot, okay, again, 1, 2, one over the other, but not off. The second one comes over and off. And tighten it up a little bit, not so where it's too tight, but where you still have plenty of comfort. That's the tail. The tail end is the end that's got nothing connected. Okay. Gonna chain 1. You're always bringing something through that little hoop. That's how you're always gonna start your work. This yarn has to work its way through that hoop or that loop. So 1, come through, that's 1 chain, come through, that's 2 chains, come through, that's 3 chains, come through, and that's 4 chains. We have 4 chains. We're going to do 1 more chain. So 1 more, come through, then we're going to not go through this one, but go through the second one on there. That's considered to be the second one on there. Second one from the hook. I'm gonna go through, bring the yarn through that. So remember I said we're always going through? And then go through both. That is your first single crochet SC. You're gonna do the second one. That's 2. And that's 3, and then that's 4. And the way we continue is always with a chain. So another chain for SCs, usually 1 chain. Turn the work around, go through those 2 bars. There's 1 SC. 2 SCs, 3 SCs, 4 SCs. That is 4. Okay, and you can continue like this. I'd say do it until it wraps around your head or your wrist, whichever you would like to do. And then I'll teach you how to close it the next time I make the video. Usually I make my videos on Fridays. I don't have a specific time, but definitely on Fridays I always upload another video. And if you like my video, please subscribe and share. Happy crocheting. Helpful Bible reading, and have a blessed day. Thank you for all my viewers.